babe, don't make a sound. 2 a.m. love, gotta keep it down.
What's going on, guys? It's Jay Stevens from 97.5 Virgin Radio, just moments away from opening up the doors on the sold-out Loud Luxury show going down tonight here at London Music Hall. Kind of a cool homecoming of sorts for the guys who started their careers playing Western parties, and now they're selling out London Music Hall, and I wonder if they need an opener. I think it's time for a little DJ tutorial. Let's see if I got what it takes. Come on.
Hell no.
Imagine this is like an oversized iPod, like I'm literally just searching for a song. So it's linked to a queue. Basically what happens is when you hit that, so hit that.
Okay.
And if you're feeling spicy, you could scratch it. You can scratch it a little bit. So like this.
The amazing thing is, I'm just shaking so bad because of nerves, I'm not doing anything. It's just like this.
It sounds good, right?
So we started, DJing at Western, doing a bunch of parties, really anything, that we could get our hands on. So I think what's really changed in the last little bit is just being there and people actually being there to see our music.
Well, you heard them mix the beats. There's a reason they're called Loud Luxury, and I think after watching me in action, I might be Quiet Poverty. Once again, make sure to check him out. Body, you can listen for it on 97.5 Virgin Radio, on my show, every hour, on the hour. Joe, thank you. Thank you so much, boys. Can't wait for the show tonight.